So you have a shower in your house that's not getting hot enough and everything else is, and you just think maybe it could be hotter because other water is hotter. Well, this is the fix. So first of all, this is like the most generic shower valve you're gonna see. You more than likely have something like this. There is a cam in here that doesn't let it get all the way hot. It'll limit how hot it can get because if you have a shower for like a kid, you don't want them to burn themselves. So sometimes you can just take this knob off and you can that setting can be right here, but sometimes you have to take the whole thing off. So right now we're just going to take this off, and sometimes they're held in with a set screw with an Allen head, but this one's pretty simple. You just unscrew it. It's a Phillips head screwdriver. There we go. On this one, so you have this here. It even says hotter. Can you read that? It has an arrow. So you just pull this out. Sometimes it's stuck. This little thing off. And then maybe pull this off too. There we go. Okay, so I did pull that off. So make sure, like I just pulled those off. It was kind of quick, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You pull this out and you just move it. This is only letting me move it about a couple clicks. I put it on. So now it can physically turn more. So that means it gets hotter. And sometimes they're set the hottest you can get them. And if that's the case, you need to turn your hot water heater up. So, but on the other side of this, if you want to turn it cooler, you pull this out and you just turn it down. So it won't get hot as much as it was. It wouldn't get as hot as it would before. So, but we're going to turn it back to being the hottest possible because this is my daughter's shower and they like to burn their skin off. So there you go. Now we're going to put this back, and there's an O-ring right here. You just slip this on. And then we're going to put this little plate on. Just push it on. Put this back on. It only goes on one way. And the screw's already in there, so just tighten it. Don't strip it, but get it tight enough. There we go. All right. And put that on and verify everything works. It's not going to blow up.